Okay, so for this question 10, they said find the value of ABC. So this question they guide us, you see, they split for us already. This question very good. You can see x squared minus 1. They also factorize completely. One factor is x minus 1, another factor is x plus 1. So already factorized completely. Okay, so we just follow through and we just follow what they express for us so that we can find out this ABC. So we have four unknowns here, so a bit challenging for these questions. We haven't meet four unknowns together. Okay, so for x squared plus 2x plus 1 over, so x squared, that one, x squared minus 1, I will write it in factor form, okay, so that we can see it clearly. So this x squared minus 1, I write it in completely factor, 1 x minus 1, x plus 1. So for this x squared is repeating factor, so they give us already. Okay, then our next step will be going to equal out. So a, we will multiply with the factor that we don't have. Okay, so we find out, we refer to our denominator part. So what's the factor that don't have? We see it have an x here, so we don't have another x. Factor x minus 1, factor x plus 1. For b, for this constant b, it already have x squared, so it don't have x minus 1, x plus 1. So for c, it already have x minus 1, so it don't have x squared and x plus 1. For d, it don't have x squared and x minus 1. So we complete our equations here. Okay, we complete our equation here. Then we have to let 4 times because we have 4 unknowns here, a, b, c, d. So we have to let it 4 times. So let x. What else we can choose here? We can choose from our roots. X is 0, then x is 1, then x is -1. So another x value, we don't have any roots that we can choose. So we can randomly put one value. Okay, so we randomly put one value, maybe 2. Okay, maybe 2, so that we can calculate. So the next step, we substitute our x. When x is 0, we give us 1. So this part times 0, everything gone. So this is -1 times 1, -3. So here is 0, 0. So we get b equals to -1. Okay, we move on to the second x value. When x is 1, so 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. X is 1, so this is 0, this is 0. Yes, this one, 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2c. So c is 2. Okay, then continue for the next x value, -1. So -1, 1. -1, we get 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2, and then we get 0. So -1 we put here is 0. -1 we put here 0, 0. So this is -2. -2 times 1. So -2d. Okay, d we get 0. So finally we have to calculate for x equals to 2. So 2 squared, 4 times 4, 8. 4, 4, 8, 9. So a we don't have yet. So this is 2 times 1, 2 times 3, 6. Okay, then b we have already, so we substitute our value, -1, then times 1 times 2 plus 1, 3. C is 2, and then 2 squared times 3. D is 0. So next, so what we have here. 9 minus 21. So negative 12. So A equals to negative 2. Okay, so we complete our ABC. Okay, so I rewrite it in partial fraction. Although they didn't ask us, they just asked us find A, B, C, D. So I rewrite it so that we can continue the next part more clear. A is negative 2, B is negative 1, C is 2, D is 0. Okay, so 0 everything, 0 divide everything becomes 0. So for this part first, finding A, B, C, D. Our marks, it will be the first part, forming our equation. And then the concept of finding our x, we must have 4x here, 4 value of x here, so that we can get the value. So this value answer will give you marks. So another, so 3 marks. 2 value correct, 1 marks, another more mark, another 1 more mark. So this is 5. Okay, so we continue for second part. So after we find this ABC we done, we will going to hence. So use this partial fraction, then we evaluate our integration. So integrate from 2 to 4. So I will straight integrate this one by one. So integrate 2 to 4. For the first part, negative 2, 1 over x. So negative 2 I factorize out, 1 over x I remain inside. And then minus integrate 2 to 4 for this x squared, 1 over x squared, rewrite it to become x power of negative 2, and then plus, so 2 factorize out, 1 over x minus 1, so that you can see our integration clearly. So this is fraction, this is concept of fraction, this is integrate using x only. So this is concept using fraction, another is concept using integration x only. So from here, we check our fraction. So our fraction function is denominator is x plus 1. When we differentiate, we get 1. Yes, we have that form. This is f prime x. This is fx. So we can get to the ln fx. Okay. So we view our formula, integrate f prime s fx. It will give you the ln fx. Okay, so integrate 1 over f, 1 over x, ln x. So here we get negative 2 ln modulus x. So for this part, power plus 1 over new power, then plus 2 ln x minus 1. We put bracket, upper limit 4, lower limit 2. And then we can see here, we still can simplify negative, negative. And then we substitute our limit, upper limit minus lower limit, so negative 2 ln 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 2 ln 3 minus negative 2 ln 2, then plus 1 over 2 plus 2 ln 1. So this will give us, if we want to maintain in the term of the ln, then we have to simplify it manually. If we don't want, we can press our calculator. Okay, so I will show you if you want to simplify in calculator, we will get 0.561. So if we don't want to use calculator, we want to use manually in terms of ln, then we have to simplify one by one. This is ln 4 power of negative 2. It will be 1 over 16 plus 1 over 4 plus ln 3 to the power of 2, 9. So plus ln 2 to the power of 2, 4 minus 1 over 2. Okay, so here will become ln. So when you ln plus ln will be multiplied together. 36 over 16. So 1 over 4 minus 1 over 2 will become negative 1 over 4. Simplify. Okay, so this is the answer in terms of ln, or I can accept decimal. We can press our calculator straight away. So our marks here will be the first mark using our partial fraction to find this integration, and then in solving our ln. So this is our concept, solving our fraction answer. Okay, so this is solving our x only, concept and answer, integration, and then we put upper limit minus lower limit to get answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.